right there.
That's a yellow-billed oxpecker, that one.
There's the zebras
We've definitely
today.
seen red-billed oxpeckers, but this one's got a bit of yellow on the bill as well. Oh,
There you go.
This guy's a kick and bite.
Nah, it's going behind there.
I'm just going to stand by in the tree there.
So we'll be seeing a different race of wildebeest when we get into the Serengeti. Same species, but geographically separated from them.
These are the blue.
Yeah, so they're all white. They're all blue wildebeest, and then they're all white bearded wildebeest below that. And then this is here in Tanzania the eastern race of the white bearded wildebeest that we have.
Oh, okay.
They always come across as the paler colour. They say these ones were a bit bigger, but I don't think these are any bigger. And then
Well, it may be hard to see, but we've got 4 cheetahs here. We've got one under the tree here, like an adult, and another adult in the shade here. They're both in the shade, and 2 smaller ones here, but they're all kind of sleeping. One is laying on its side facing us, and the other ones are kind of turned away, taking an early morning snooze. And this guy is kind of snoozing but looking back the other way. So those are cheetahs here. And today is September 28th, Tuesday, 2021. And there we are here. Okay, might have to do some digital zoom on this to get it into a better shot here. So we'll have to see, but good thing here. All right, I might put an inset in here with some better pictures.
This young male is not very happy as he's gone through. He's backed up a little bit as well. Unfortunately, they'll find that rather stressful. This female now is bringing up the rear and isn't quite sure which way to go through.
More elephants in a different location. A couple babies, but they're hard to see. Way up there. Yeah, 2 babies behind One big one up at the top. There's a giraffe down there. We're waiting for him to take a drink, put his head way down, but don't know if that's going to happen since we're here. Maybe make him a little skittish there, so, but he's just posing. He is alive. It's not fake. He'll move there, his tail moves, so you know he's real. And here we go, the water buffalo here. Down at the watering hole, they go from way over there. Down here. There's all this water buffalo here. Look at that wall here.
Oh, I see it. Oh, he's right
Yes.
there. My God.
Oh yeah.
This goes right up here. And all the way up to the other end. So you get tons more up there too. They scared the impalas off on the other side. Oh yeah, the baboons are up there somewhere. Yeah, a bunch of them up there. Get the other camera now. We got a lizard down there. There he is. You can see him. It's right there. We're on a bridge here. Up there. He's down there sunning himself on a rock to get warm. So it's a good thing we saw the lizard. All right.
The front of
Very
the car is
good.
always 12.
Bye-bye.
Oh, we're actually giving him shows.
Okay. Going through a little town today. Built up shopping area. Everybody buying newspapers. Oh, it looks like a little open air market, central market. Yeah.
Bananas, spinach, all sorts of stuff. Selling on the side here.
Oh yeah, there's all kind of fruits, veg. Got your veg, your fruits. Everything looks really good. Tomatoes look good back there.
Oh, they're making fish here.
No thanks on the fish. I'm not the fish man. Bananas. Oh, there she had the red ones. Yeah, I see what you mean there about the red ones. Just a little different shade.
We're going to pull into the entrance to Lake Manyara National Park. It's not going to view or anything, but when it does have the last toilet for a little while.
Here's a view up here. I'll have to get a GPS location later on. I'll take a picture with my phone, but this is not too far from the bathrooms where we had the banana. And that's a lake out there. It looks like it's in the haze and everything. It looks like dust or dirt, but it's actually a lake. And it's a little bit overflowed its boundaries there.
Yeah, so yeah, the lake has
Because
come up a lot. There used to be quite a lot of flamingos on here.